How you doing? This is Frank from Camp Kayak Adventures, formerly Camp Kayak Ontario. We just rebranded it for the 2022 season. Today we're going to be doing a review on rvcover.ca. They sell RV covers for all sizes, from Class A to truck campers. Their travel trailers go from size 14 to 42 feet. They have two versions, the gold and the silver. The gold is more of a heavier duty, better for winter, but either can be used for winters in Canada. They're made in Canada. They're shipped same day, free shipping. They're good for snow, ice, dust, UV rays. They're 100% water resistant and have a lifetime warranty. So let's look at this on ours. We have a 19 foot. So the size that we ordered is from the 18 to 20 feet, and it's the gold version. So as I was saying, ours is 18 to 20 feet cover. It gives us a little extra to cover our power tongue jack. It is fully zippered all the way down. Gives you access to your trailer no matter where your door is. It has straps on the front, underneath. It's fully vented, both sides, and it's been holding up great. It's been on for 2 months. During that 2 months, we've had 3 feet of snow, 2 freezing rain storms, wind storms, and temperature changes of 20 degrees in one day. A lot of freezing, melting, freezing again. It has held up, and for $400 is what we paid for this. It's been a great value, and I highly recommend it. Putting the cover on was actually fairly simple once we figured out the best way to do it. We have aluminum roof on our trailer, so you can't actually stand on the roof. So we used one ladder, folded the cover in on itself, threw it up in the middle of the roof, and then spread it out, dropped it down all the sides. Total time was probably about 10 minutes. So it was fairly simple. If you can walk on your roof, then it would be much easier.